to a bienvenue. Good morning and welcome. In today's class, we are going to proceed with an important question that is generally asked when you meet someone or you want to know about their well-being. So let's get started. Before I start, I would like to mention that there are two ways to ask questions in French, formal way and the informal way. So you have to be very careful. Formal way is used with the elders or with the strangers because it is considered to be a more respectful way. An informal way can be used with someone who is younger to you or for a casual conversation. So let's begin. Yes, so the question is, how are you? If you have to ask somebody, how are you? As I told you before, there are two ways, formal way and the informal way. So let us first start with the formal way. We will be using this formal way when we are asking our elders or maybe we are talking to the strangers. So we will say, comment allez-vous? I'll repeat, it's comment allez-vous? Now, let us see the first word. It is not comment, it is comment. Second word, it is aller, but as if you can see that the last word is T and the next word starts with a vowel. So this T will be pronounced. It becomes thale and the third word is vous. So it is comment allez-vous? Now, let us come to the informal way. Informal way is used when we are talking to our friends or maybe to our youngers. Now, if we have to ask them, how are you? We will say, comment ça va? I repeat, it is comment ça va? Again, the first word is not comment, it is comment. And the second word is ça va? Comment ça va? Now you can see this word has a small accent. This is known as the accent cédé, and we also call it the accent cedella. Without this accent, it will be ka, but with this accent, it becomes sa. So it's comment ça va? Now, let us see the possible answers. If somebody's asked us, how are you? How are you going to reply them? You will tell them, fine, thank you. So, you have to say, ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. And the other way to say is, I am fine, thank you. So, you can say, je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. I am fine, thank you. Now I am going to tell you in brief what actually are the French accents, les accents. So accents are the symbols which are placed above or below certain letters in French. So we have 5 French accents. The first one is the accent cédella, or we call it the accent cédé. It is used only with C. We've talked about it before also. It softens the sound of C and it is a little like S. Right? The second one is the accent aigu, or we call it the accent acute, acute accent. It is put only on E and its pronunciation is like A. Now let us see the third accent, that is the accent circumflex, or we call it the circumflex accent. It is used with all these 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U, and it is a little like a hat on the top. The fourth accent is the accent grave, or we call it the grave accent. It is used with 3 vowels only, A, E and U. When this grave accent is used with A and U, it is used to differentiate the French spellings, but when it is used with E, its sound is like A. Now let us come to the last axon, that is the axon tremor. It is used with three vowels E, I and U. It is like two dots on the top. These two dots, it signifies that the vowel which is preceding the other vowel, that is which has been put before the other vowel on which this axon tremor has been put in a word, both of them should be pronounced separately. I'll show you an example. We have taken this word. This is Noel. Noel. You can see in this word we have two vowels and both of them are pronounced separately. So it is Noel. So I hope all these things are clear to you. To become more fluent with the French pronunciation, you need to keep practicing. Merci. Au revoir.